Welcome to lesson number 6. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the double crochet stitch. Till now, you have learned how to make a chain, how to make a single crochet in that chain, how to make single crochets in rows beyond the foundation chain. Then in the last lesson, you learned how to make a half double crochet. Today, we will learn how to make a double crochet. Just like the half double crochet, you will go underneath the yarn. Now you will have 2 loops on your hook. You will pass it through the row of crochet, one of the stitches of the row of crochets, the last row. Then pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops now on your hook. In a half double crochet, you will pass this loop through all 3. But in the double crochet stitch, you will only pass the loop through the first 2. Then once again, you will go on yarn under and pull a loop through the next 2. This is a double crochet stitch. Let's do it again. Go underneath your yarn, hook the yarn. You'll have 2 yarns on your hook. 2 loops on your hook. Go underneath in the gap. Pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You will go underneath your yarn, pull up, hook the yarn and pass it through only the first 2 loops. This will lead to you having 2 loops remaining. Once again, go underneath the yarn and hook it through the remaining 2 loops. This is your second double crochet stitch made. Once again, go underneath the yarn. Pass it through the V. Pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Go underneath the yarn. Pass it to the first 2 loops. Now you will have 2 loops remaining. Go underneath the yarn and pass it to the remaining 2 loops. This is your third double crochet made. Once again, let's try it again. Go underneath, hook the yarn. Now you will have 2 loops on your hook. Pass it through the V, pull it, loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Go underneath the yarn, pull through the first 2 loops. You have 2 remaining. Go underneath the yarn and pull it through the next 2 loops. This is your fourth double crochet made. Go underneath. You will have 2 loops. Go underneath the V, pull up a loop. There will be 3 loops. Go underneath the yarn, pass it to the first 2. Go underneath the yarn, pass it to the next 2. You will continue to make double crochets this way. Keep practicing. Until next time. Bye.